Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed regarding the kernel of a vector field. Today, we are going to discuss regarding the proof of the kernel of a vector field. In the last class, we saw the formula kernel A is equal to del cross A, which is equal to modulus of ijk dou A by dou x dou by dou y dou z del x a by z. Okay, if we expand this modulus, okay, we will get I of dou by dou y of az minus dou by dou z of ay, okay, minus j of dou by dou x. We have to eliminate this column, okay, this column, okay. We have to multiply the cross product, okay. We know that how can we multiply the cross product of this modulus, okay. If you take ith term, we have to eliminate this and we have to do cross multiplication of these two things. We will get this value, okay. Already you know that you are familiar with this, okay. Similarly, we have to change the sign minus j of, we have to eliminate this and we have to cross product it. We will get this. In between we have to take minus. Next plus k, we have to eliminate this row, this column, and we have to cross multiply these two things. We will get this term. So the expansion of this del cross A, we have this. Okay, today we are going to prove that kernel of a vector field, whatever the kernel of a vector field A bar, okay, will be this formula. We are going to we are going to prove this formula. Okay, we are going to prove this formula by taking the help of this diagram. Okay, already in the last class we explained one diagram. Okay, here we are going to prove this formula by using this diagram. Already in the case of divergence of a vector field, already we proved. Okay, so in the same manner we are going to prove the kernel of a vector, that is del cross A, is equal to this much. Okay, so let us consider the diagram ABCD. ABCD is the what? A rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. Here we are taking two axes, x and y axis. Okay, at the center point P, the vector field is represented by A, whose components along x axis ax and ay. Whose components along x axis is ax and along y axis ay. Okay. Now ABCD is the rectangle. Now here we are going to find the value of A, vector field A, at the points, at the midpoints R, Q, T and S. Okay, R, Q, T and S, and then we will sum it up and we will get the result. Okay, that will be this formula. Okay, we will separately find the components Z component, X component and Y component. Okay, now for Z component, this value, to get this value, okay, what we are going to do? See, at point P, the value of A bar, the value of vector field is what? A bar. Okay, Ax is along x axis and Ay is along y axis. Now the change in Ax along y axis, the change in Ax along y axis is represented by what? Dou Ax by dou y. The Ax is changing along in the direction PR is how much? Dou Ax by dou y. Okay, into here the length of the rectangle. See here AB, the length of the rectangle is that is the length is what? Dx and breadth is what? Dy. Okay, the length of the rectangle ABCD is, okay, here the length is dx, okay, and the breadth is what? Dy. Now at the midpoint from A to this midpoint T, the value is dx by 2, and here from P to R the value is dy by 2, isn't it? Okay, because the total length is dx, half of it will become what? Dx by 2. Now the total breadth is dy, half of it will become what? dy by 2. Now see the change of Ax, we are finding the x component along y direction because we are taking the rotation here. Ax, how it will be rotating? How the Ax component is changing along y axis we are taking, not x axis. Okay, so for that purpose, the change of Ax along y axis will be represented by dou Ax by dou y. Okay, and it is traveling the distance of how much? Dy by 2 from P to R. Okay, so into dy by 2. This is the change of Ax along PR. Now it will becomes what? 1 by 2 dou Ax by dou y into dy. Now the value of Ax at R will becomes what? Ax plus of dou Ax by dou y into dy, isn't it? We are taking Ax, the change of Ax along y direction, not x direction. In the previous case, that is in the case of divergence of vector field, we took along x axis only. Now the change of Ax component along y axis, how it is rotating, because curl is nothing but what? Rotation. Okay, so the value of Ax at R is how much? Ax plus half dou Ax by dou y into dy. Similarly, the value of Ax at t will become what? It will be negative value, that is Ax minus half dou Ax by dou y into dy. Okay, see, similarly, what about the value of Ay at q? Ay at q, how the value of Ay is changing along q? Okay, that will be given by Ay plus half dou Ay by along x axis is changing dou x into dx. Similar to this. Okay, now the same value of Ay at s will becomes what? Ay minus half dou Ay by dou x into dx. Similar to this, we are writing the value of Ay. How the Ay is changing along x axis. The Ay is changing along x axis. Okay, and the value of Ay at q will becomes what? This Ay plus half dou Ay by dou x into dx. Similar to this. Similarly, at s it will becomes what? Negative. That is Ay minus half dou Ay by dou x into dx. Here the direction is along RC for Ax. Okay, the direction of Ay along this at point Q is QC, and at S it is SD, and at T it is TP. Okay, the direction should be taken. Okay, so like this, we got some values here. Now, what is our intention? What is the definition of curl? The maximum line integral per unit area. The maximum line integral. We are going to find the line integral about this ABCD. Okay, the line integral of the curve. We are going to find the maximum value. We will get the maximum value by taking all the directions. Okay, now we got these values. Okay, we got this value. Just remember those things. Okay. See, now we are going to find what? The line integral. The line integral about the rectangle ABCD. What is the line integral about the rectangle ABCD? It will becomes what? The component of AB into the length dx. Okay, plus the component of BC into the length dy. The line integral. How can we get the line integral? The line integral of AB will becomes what? The line integral of along AB will becomes what? AB into dx. AB into dx. Similarly, BC into dy plus CD into dx again plus dA into dy. Okay, like that the components. We are taking the components. Now, what about AB? Along AB, what is the value we got? Along AB, what is the value we got? AX. Okay. Ax minus half dou Ax by dou y into dy into dx, isn't it? Into dx plus BC along BC what we got? The value ay plus half into dou a y by dou x into dx into dy, okay, into dy plus along CD. See, here we are taking along CD, we are taking a minus because these are in the, we are going to see from T to Q, the direction is same, but from C to D, from A to B, the direction is like this. Okay, from B to C, the direction is like this, and from C to D, we are moving like this in a clockwise direction, but it is anti-clockwise direction. Okay, that's why we are taking CD as a negative component. Okay, CD, what is the value of CD here? Ax plus dou of dou a x by dou y into dy into dx. Okay, into dx, because this is dx. Okay, now similarly, and we are having the last one, dA. dA is how much? dA is how much? We got ay, okay, ay minus of dou ay by dou x into dx into dy. If you add all the things, okay, if you add all the things, we will get what? At last, by adding all the things, we get what? The value. How much? See, ax minus ax will be cancelled out. Okay, then after ay and minus ay will be cancelled out. Okay, then after minus of dou ax by dou y into dx dy. Okay, and here, okay, this value, if you take this value, and here also this value. Okay, we will get what? See, minus value, here also minus value, we will get plus 1, half of plus 1. So, minus dou ax by dou y into dx dy, we will get at last. Okay, this one value. Then after, if you see here, plus of dou ay by dou x into dx, plus of dou ay by dou x into dx, we will get this value, that is dou a y by dou x. Okay, if you take dx dy common, you will get dx into dy. Okay, this is the value, dou a y by dou x minus dou ax by dou y. Remaining all the terms, if you see, remaining all the terms, minus of dou ax by dou x, and here plus dou a by dou y. All the values will be cancelled out. At last, we will get this value, that is this component. Okay, dou a y by dou x minus dou ax by dou y. Okay, here dx dy for unit area. If you take per unit area, the area will becomes 1. So we will get at last dou a y by dou x minus dou a x by dou y. That is, we are getting the z component. I already said. Now we are going to do the z component. Similarly, if you take the remaining parts, okay, along this is along z component, we got this value. Okay, nothing but what? Curl. We got the value curl az is equal to how much? This component. Okay, this component. If you take k, okay, this component. Similarly, curl ay, we will get this value. Similarly, curl ah will becomes what? This value. So entirely by adding all the things, we will get curl a is how much? Curl a bar is equal to how much? This value. If you put in the modulus, we will get this value. Okay, like this we will prove the what? Curl a, del cross a. Okay, del cross curl a value is what? How much? This value. Okay, like this. By using this diagram, we will prove this. Okay, thank you. In the next class, we will see the significance of the curl. Actually, the curl is what? Nothing but what? Rotation. We will see the significance of the curl in the next class. Thank you.